Today we are going to start a new concept in thermodynamics, that is thermochemistry. Thermochemistry is word related with heat. Thermochemistry deals with the enthalpy change during a chemical reaction. That is enthalpy of chemical reaction, or it may be called as heat of reaction. It is represented by symbol delta RH, heat of reaction. Consider the reaction AA plus BB, it gives CC plus DD. This capital ABCD, these are the reactants and product respectively. This small abcd, these are the stoichiometric coefficients. Therefore, delta RH is equal to CHC plus DHD minus AHA plus BHB. This C, D, small a, b, these are the stoichiometric coefficient, where HA, HB, HC and HD, these are the molar enthalpies of A, B, C, D. Then this CHC plus DHD, this product minus reactant. Therefore, enthalpy of chemical reaction is nothing but it is the difference between sum of enthalpies of product and that of reactant. It is the difference between sum of enthalpies of product and that of reactant with every substance in a definite physical state. This product minus reactant, it is the sum of enthalpies of product and that of reactant with every substance in a definite physical state. According to this definition, then heat of reaction, that is delta RH, is equal to summation H product minus summation H reactant. This product minus reactant, sum of, or it is the difference between sum of enthalpies of product and sum of enthalpies of reactant with every substance in the definite physical state are called as enthalpy of chemical reaction or heat of reaction. The formula of heat of reaction is delta RH is equal to summation H product minus summation H reactant. This is the formula for calculate the enthalpy of chemical reaction or heat of reaction. Next point, it is exothermic and endothermic. Difference between exothermic and endothermic. Exo means out, endo means in. Exothermic, the word thermic means thermometer. In that case, if heat is evolved, are called as exothermic. In the reaction, heat is absorbed, called as endothermic. In this case, heat is evolved, therefore delta H is always negative. In this case, endothermic, heat is absorbed, therefore delta H is always positive. These two comparisons are according to this last one diagram. This graph is plotted potential energy versus reaction in progress. This is the reactant, this is the product, this is the transition state. In exothermic reaction, reactant is greater than product. This potential energy reactant and product. Reactant is always greater than product in exothermic reaction. In endothermic reaction, according to this graph, reactant product is always greater than reactant. This potential energy of product, this potential energy of reactant. In endothermic reaction, product is greater than reactant. Exothermic, reactant is greater than product. In that, remember, reactant is greater than product. Therefore, which one it is greater, that one it is lowest stable. Therefore, in exothermic reaction, product is less, therefore product is more stable than reactant. In endothermic, reactant is more stable than product because it is less one. This is the difference between exothermic and endothermic reaction. एक्झोथर्मिक रिॲक्शन म्हणजे काय, तर हीट ही इव्हॉल्व होते, गिवन आउट होते, रिलीज होते. एंडोथर्मिक रिॲक्शनमध्ये हीट ही ॲब्सॉर्ब होते, ॲड होते, सप्लाइड होते. एक्झोथर्मिकमध्ये हीट इव्हॉल्व होते म्हणून डेल्टा एचची व्हॅल्यू ही नेहमी काय असते, निगेटिव्ह असते. एंडोथर्मिकमध्ये हीट ॲब्सॉर्ब केलं जाते, बाहेरची एनर्जी एक्स्ट्रा ॲब्सॉर्ब केली जाते म्हणून डेल्टा एचची व्हॅल्यू ही नेहमी काय असते, पॉझिटिव्ह असते. एक्झोथर्मिकमध्ये रिॲक्टंट ग्राफमध्ये आहे, ग्राफनुसार रिॲक्टंटपेक्षा प्रोडक्ट हा जास्त असतो. रिॲक्टंटपेक्षा प्रोडक्ट जास्त असतो. जो जास्त असतो तो कमी स्टेबल असतो, जो कमी असतो तो जास्त स्टेबल असतो. म्हणून एक्झोथर्मिकमध्ये प्रोडक्ट हा कमी आहे, म्हणून प्रोडक्ट हा रिॲक्टंटपेक्षा मोर स्टेबल आहे. एंडोथर्मिकमध्ये प्रोडक्ट हा रिॲक्टंटपेक्षा जास्त आहे, प्रोडक्ट इज ग्रेटर दॅन रिॲक्टंट. म्हणून जो जास्त असतो तो कमी स्टेबल असतो आणि जो कमी असतो तो जास्त स्टेबल असतो. इथं रिॲक्टंट हा कमी आहे, तेव्हा रिॲक्टंट हा प्रोडक्टपेक्षा मोर स्टेबल आहे. दिस इज द difference between exothermic and endothermic reaction. Heat of reaction means it is a sum of enthalpies of product, or it is the difference between sum of enthalpies of product and sum of enthalpies of reactant. This is nothing but the heat of reaction. Next concept is standard enthalpy of chemical reaction. Standard enthalpy means it standard condition. It is represented by symbol H0. In that there are two types: standard enthalpy of formation and standard enthalpy of combustion. It is molecule is formed. In that case, molecule is burned, completely burned or completely oxidized. Number one, standard enthalpy of formation. It is represented by delta F. H0 means it is H0 is indicates that it is standard condition. The enthalpy change that is accompanied by a reaction in which 1 mole of pure compound in its standard state is formed from its element in their standard state at 298 Kelvin temperature, 1 atmospheric pressure. This is the standard condition for the standard state. That is standard enthalpy of formation. The enthalpy change that accompanies reaction. Standard enthalpy of formation, the enthalpy change that accompanies a reaction in which 1 mole of pure compound in its standard state is formed from its elements in their standard state. For example, carbon, graphite, it is a pure form plus 2H2, it gives CH4. Formation of methane molecule in its standard condition, standard state. Delta F H0, it requires minus 74.81 kilojoule per mole. This is nothing but the standard enthalpy of formation. Number two, standard enthalpy of combustion. Delta C H0, C combustion, H enthalpy 0 standard. The standard enthalpy of combustion of a substance is the standard enthalpy change accompanied by reaction in which 1 mole of substance in its standard state is completely burned or oxidized. That means standard enthalpy of combustion means the molecule or compound or substance is completely burned or oxidized in its standard state are called as standard enthalpy of combustion. For example, CH4 is completely burned by oxygen, by oxidized, or completely burned means CH4 is converted into the CO2 and H2. It is called as combustion reaction. Methane is converted into the CO2 and H2. Carbon and hydrogen, they are get